Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to fix pictures not downloading in iMessage on iPhone in iOS 16.5. To solve this problem, go to settings and hit on messages. Here, try to turn off iMessage and switch it on after a few seconds. Once you do that, scroll down a little bit and in the SMS MMS content, your all toggles will be turned off. Make sure that all are turned off. Once you do that, go back to settings and hit on general and switch down your phone for a few seconds and then again restart after 20 to 30 seconds. This might solve your problem, or you can even reset your all networks by hitting on transfer or reset iPhone, then hit on reset and click on reset network setting. This will solve your problem. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe this channel.